If you've been hunting for a compact, space-saving washer like the ZenStyle Portable Washer, you might think you're seconds away from a laundry game changer. But here's what surprised me. This tiny twin tub promises powerful cleaning at home or on the go, yet there are hidden quirks you absolutely need to know before you buy. Most reviewers rave about convenience, but what if I told you this machine might actually complicate your laundry life more than simplify it? Stay tuned because I'm breaking down all the ups and downs, the good, the bad, and the unexpected twists about this $109.99 gadget that scores a respectable 4.2 stars on Amazon, but has more layers than just a simple wash cycle. First off, who is this for? If you're living in a cramped college dorm, traveling in an RV, or just tired of lugging heavy laundry baskets to laundromats, this mini washing machine is designed to be your best friend. It promises a whopping 9.9 pounds capacity split between washing and spinning, with an impressively quiet 1300 RPM motor. Sounds perfect, right? But if you're expecting it to replace a full-sized washer or handle big bulky items, you're in the wrong place. ZenStyle packs a punch for small loads, small spaces, and minimal energy, exactly what those tight living quarters demand. Here's a quick tale to set the mood. A friend of mine, let's call her Sarah, bought the ZenStyle after losing her laundromat privileges due to the dreaded overwash permit problem. Yes, even laundromats have rules. Sarah's petite apartment barely staples a washing machine spot. She brought this blue transparent beauty home, and the first night was magical, quiet, compact, and working like a charm. But the honeymoon ended around cycle number 3 when the spin dryer surprised her with a splash of water on the floor and a sound resembling a cat stuck in a tumble dryer. So, what happened? Let's dive deeper. The ZenStyle is a twin tub design, one side washing, the other spinning. This means separate timers, 15 minutes max washing and a speedy 5-minute spin cycle maximum. The motor boasts 1300 RPM, strong enough to clean small loads effectively and do a decent spin dry. The plastic body is rust-proof, and the clear blue lid lets you peek inside and monitor your clothes without pausing cycles. It even comes with a generous 78.8-inch water inlet hose to fill the machine without friction. That's the ideal setup for a small space with limited plumbing flexibility. But here's where it all started feeling like a sitcom plot. The machine's twin tubs sometimes dance out of sync. Washing and spinning simultaneously is allowed, but managing water drainage and fabric tangling can get tricky if you're not on your toes. Sarah's towels came out clean but soaking wet after spin drying, curious considering the 1300 RPM rating. Turns out, the spin cycle's short length and lower capacity limit the drying efficiency, especially with denser fabrics. And let me tickle your funny bone. Why did the sock refuse to be washed in the ZenStyle? Because it wasn't ready to tumble with the spinner. Alas, not every sock loves the ride. The unit's plastic build, while resistant to rust, can feel a bit flimsy when you're loading laundry. It weighs just right for portability, but might wobble slightly if not placed on a perfectly flat surface. Sarah had to improvise with a folded towel underneath, proving portable washers double as makeshift balancing acts. If instability made washing machines an Olympic sport, ZenStyle would be a gold contender, not for grace, but for the crazy spin routine. If you're wondering about noise, the ZenStyle is indeed quieter than traditional washers. It hums rather than roars, which is a blessing for small living spaces where sleep and washing hours coincide. However, the spin cycle does buzz noticeably louder, adding a little excitement to your laundry night. It's not as silent as a whisper, but for a portable unit running at 1300 RPM, it's impressively hush-hush. Now, ZenStyle's ease of use is a major highlight. The simple control knobs for washer and spinner timers are intuitive, clear, and easy for anyone. No need for an engineering degree here. Fill clothes, add water, set timers, and start. Laundry made user-friendly. But the limited timer settings, max 15 minutes washing and 5 minutes spinning, can feel restrictive for heavily soiled or bulky clothes. This makes the mini washer perfect for clothes worn just once or lightly soiled, but less ideal if you need a deep clean. Speaking of deep clean, ZenStyle's performance in cleaning is decent but not stellar. It does a good job for everyday wear. T-shirts, underwear, socks, and lightweight fabrics get refreshed nicely. But if you're tackling stains, muddy workout gear, or heavy cottons, this mini machine will struggle. Sarah tried a workout shirt after a tough session. The stain didn't budge entirely, and she had to hand wash it afterward. So keep expectations realistic. It's a mini washer, not a miracle worker. Here's a joke to lighten laundry woes. Why did the laundry machine take a break? It felt exhausted. ZenStyle does save your energy in terms of electricity and water usage, much more than running a full-sized 10 kg beast. The plastic body ensures no rust, which is a major plus for durability in humid environments like bathrooms or RV closets. The twin tub design lets you multitask, wash one batch while spinning another. This feature alone ramps up laundry efficiency during busy times. One more twist: drainage system quirks. The unit doesn't have an inbuilt drainage pump, relying on gravity and manual guidance to empty water. This means you need to position the washer strategically near a drain or sink. Forget uphill drainage. Your water will stay put or spill. Sarah's solution: placing the washer close to the bathroom drain and carefully removing the hose after the cycle ends. The included 78.8-inch hose helps, but this system isn't exactly plug-and-play for every layout. Now, a question for you. Have you ever bought a product that seemed perfect online but turned out to be a bit more handy than hands-off? ZenStyle Portable Washer toes the line. It's both your laundry savior and your occasional little headache. It demands a bit of creativity and attention to placement, maintenance, and load size. But its lightweight, rust-resistant build and decent cleaning ability shine if you know its limits. Before you decide, consider the customer service aspect. The brand promises replacements and refunds if you encounter problems. That's reassuring, especially if you're buying online from a third party who can be hit or miss. Those who stuck with ZenStyle praise prompt replies and helpful solutions, which balances some early hiccups. If you laugh, you live. A little humor now. Why don't washing machines ever get invited to parties? Because they always spin the same old stories. But really, this machine adds a fresh spin to small space living with a mix of convenience and quirks to keep your laundry routine anything but boring. So where does this leave us? The ZenStyle Portable Washer is a niche gem, far from perfect but offering a strong value proposition if you live small and hate laundromats. It's best for light loads, delicate fabrics, or quick refreshes rather than deep cleaning or large family laundry days. Its twin tub design, quiet motor, and portability make it ideal for college students, RV travelers, apartment dwellers, or anyone needing a sensible secondary washer. If you can embrace the challenges, manual drainage, short spin cycles, placement carefulness, you'll appreciate how much time, space, and energy this small powerhouse saves. Sarah's laundry struggles turned into solutions when she learned the rhythm of its quirks. Now, she wouldn't trade her ZenStyle for bulkier models that take up all her closet space or sleep hours. To wrap up, don't buy the ZenStyle Portable Washer if you want a heavy-duty, hands-off full wash experience. Do buy it if you crave a compact, energy-efficient way to keep your small loads fresh and manageable without heading to the laundromat every other day. It's a practical choice with limitations but plenty of heart. Ready to grab one? I've dropped the best deals down in the description along with the current price. Remember, these prices change fast, so don't wait too long. Click that link, compare your needs, and make your call. With ZenStyle, your laundry game will get a little lighter, literally and figuratively, every spin of the way. Happy washing!